During these tough times concerning the COVID-19 virus, you've worked hard to ensure a clean facility. Today, we know that traditional cleaning alone is not enough, and protective measures are essential. Introducing Citywide's Electrostatic Disinfectant Treatment. This revolutionary technology is the first choice for our clients in attacking pathogens and disinfecting in places traditional methods cannot. Here is a little bit of science. The electrostatic disinfecting treatment works by first turning liquid disinfectant into small droplets. Then, each droplet gets electrically charged, which causes them to be drawn to and adhere to surfaces with a force stronger than gravity. This creates a superior coverage to traditional methods, and as a result, a great protection against many of the most harmful bacteria and viruses, including COVID-19. Our team can provide this disinfecting treatment option in addition to your current janitorial cleaning or as a separate service for your facility. For more information about Citywide's electrostatic disinfectant treatment, reach out to your local Citywide contact or visit us online today. It's time to protect your facility, and Citywide will be there as your first choice, leading the charge.